Morning. Today we're going to be patterning my shotgun. Waterfowl season is coming up quickly, and I want to make sure that I have the best pattern coming out of my shotgun for that season to give me the best chance possible to retrieve the waterfowl. So I'm going to give you a quick look at what I'm going to be shooting and explain what I'm going to be doing. So first, I'm going to be shooting my Winchester SXP 12 gauge with an improved modified choke. This is what I hunt with, so I want to make sure this is what I pattern my gun with. The targets I'll be shooting at are these targets made by Remington. They're meant for lining up your rifle at 100 yards, but if you stay inside the lines, it's a 12-inch square. Now the 12-inch square I think is perfect for patterning my gun. If I can keep the most amount of pellets possible within the whole perimeter of this, that'll give me a good idea as to how my gun is shooting. So the first shell I'll be shooting is a Remington Sportsman. It's 3.5 inch, 1 3/8 shot, number 2, 1550 feet per second. The second one, Winchester Super X, 3.5 inch, 1550 feet per second, 1 3/8. However, it is a BB. Next, Challenger Super Magnum, 3.5 inch, 1 3/8 ounce, also 1550 feet per second, number 2. Heavy Steel, 3.5 inch, number 2, 1 3/8 ounce, 1550 feet per second. Winchester Super X, 3.5 inch, 1625 feet per second, 1 1/4 ounce. This is also a BB as the other Super X. These are a blindside, 3.5 inch, 1 3/8 ounce, 1675 feet per second. And these are the Remington Hypersonics, 3.5 inch, 1 3/8 ounce, 1700 feet per second. Now I know that the two Super X's are BBs, and even though they're all 1 3/8 ounce, except for the 1625s, which is 1 1/4 ounce, it's not a completely 100% accurate test. But what I'll do, instead of, I will show the patterns, but what I'll do also is take the number of pellets in each shell and break it down to percentage in the target. That way, obviously the BB will have less pellets in it than the number 2s, but when I give the percentage, it'll give a good idea as to what percentage of each shell will be going into the target for the pattern. So I'm going to head off to the range now. I'll give you a quick view of where I'm shooting at the range, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we're here at the pit. As you can see, I've set up my targets. I'll be doing the shots from 20 yards and 40 yards to see the different patterning. We're going to start off with the Remington Sportsman, and we'll finish off with maybe the Remington Hypersonics. I won't film every shot being fired. You guys have all seen shotguns be fired before. I'll just give you the results at the end of the process. So, we shall start. Now I know I said that I wasn't going to show myself shooting the shells, which I won't, but I just shot the Sportsman, and I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Aromatherapy. Nothing smells quite like it.